Hello, and welcome to the Uselessly Wise channel. Today, we're going to talk about a question many people have. Is TikTok safe? Let's dive into the security and privacy features of TikTok. TikTok is a popular social media platform worldwide, but many people wonder how safe it really is. Let's explore TikTok's security and privacy policies. TikTok takes several measures to protect user privacy. For example, users can set their accounts to private, allowing only certain people to view their videos. TikTok requires users to be at least 13 years old to join, and users under 16 have restricted access to certain features, such as direct messaging. This is to help protect younger users. TikTok uses advanced encryption technologies to protect user data. Additionally, it limits data access to ensure that user information is managed securely. TikTok offers guides and settings for parents to help ensure their children use the app safely. For example, the digital well-being feature can be used to set screen time limits. However, like all social media platforms, TikTok does have some potential risks, such as personal information leaks, exposure to inappropriate content, and cyberbullying. It's important to stay vigilant and manage personal information carefully. Here are some tips for using TikTok safely. First, use a strong password. Second, do not share personal information. Third, avoid clicking on suspicious links. Finally, report any inappropriate content or users. Today, we learned about the safety of TikTok. We hope you found the information useful for using TikTok safely. For more helpful information, subscribe to the Uselessly Wise channel and turn on notifications. See you in the next video.